guys, it's me again, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. So I know it's been a minute since you guys lastly seen me. I don't know, I've been a little rusty when it comes down to uploading videos. However, I have been recording them. I just don't ever feel like editing them when I'm done. That sucks. But yeah, I just want to let you guys know that we have a lot of new content coming up, and I know a lot of you guys love our natural hair videos, so we do have a lot of those coming up as well. So just in case you guys are not, be sure to hit the notification bell so that way you're notified each time Alicia and I do upload, so you guys aren't missing a single video, especially those of you guys who are interested in our natural hair videos. We have a lot of those coming up. But again, this video is going to be more geared towards my natural hair and what I do to my natural hair when I do wear wigs. So yeah, I also have a wig feature in this video that comes from a company called WowEbony. So check out WowEbony.com. They are having their Mother's Day sale, which is currently going on now. It does end May 15th, so be sure to take advantage of that. In case you want to buy your mama a wig, or in case you're a mother and you want to buy yourself a wig or your best friend a wig, do take advantage of their Mother's Day sale. You can save up to $30 off of your purchases. So again, you guys do make sure you guys take advantage of that. It does end May 15th, so hop on that. But again, as I said before, this video is more geared towards what I do to my natural hair when I am wearing a wig. Again, it's not going to be too detailed because I do have quite a few videos coming up that's going to be, you know, geared towards, you know, my hair in depth. What I do to my hair, what I do to moisturize it, yada yada yada. So do stay tuned for that. But just briefly, what I already did to my hair, I spritzed it down with a little bit of water. I followed up with my Main Choice Floor Leaf Clover leave-in conditioner. Followed up after that with their moisturizer. Put a little bit of a olive oil on top of that, and then I sealed my ends with the Shea Moisture Manuka and Honey Yogurt Split-In Balm. Okay. But yeah, again, this video isn't going to be too in-depth. It's going in fast forward motion so you guys can have an idea what I do, because I do this every time I wear a wig, and I don't keep my braids in my hair for too long anymore because I notice that my hair dries out a lot and I have a lot of breakage, a lot of shedding. So I try to put the cornrows on my hair at least once a week, take it out for a week, wear my hair in either a puff, a bun, or a ponytail, and then in case I need to wear a wig for another event or something like that, this is exactly what I do. I just put cornrows in my hair. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing. My cornrows are not by any means perfect. I am not a braider. However, I try to braid up my hair very lightly, not too tight, just so that way I'm not getting a headache, and therefore I'm not causing my hair any stress or breakage or causing any unnecessary shedding. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing. So once I'm completed cornrolling back my hair, I will see you guys in a minute. So I'm finally finished braiding up my hair, and this is what my braids look like. They're not the best looking braids. However, based on my knowledge of braiding, this is probably the best that I can do. But you can also anchor your braids going upward to allow your wig to lay flatter. Me, I just sort of stuff the ends of my braids in a stocking cap because that's what works best for me. But again, the wig being featured in this video does come from WowEbony.com. I will have all the information and details regarding the wig that I picked up in the info box below, so check there. And as I mentioned before, do take advantage of their Mother's Day sale. It does end May 15th, so if you're thinking about buying something for someone special for Mother's Day, or if you don't have kids yourself, you just want to take advantage of the sale, do hop on it. Again, it does end May 15th. So here's how my wig came packaged, and I also received a nude colored wig cap as well as an elastic band, which did come in handy. So here's the wig that I have. I picked up their 360 lace wig, and mine is in the Yaki straight texture. The length is 20 inches. I picked up mine in natural color black, and I want to say that this wig is 150% density. So here's what the wig looks like in the inside. Again, as I mentioned before, this is one of their 360 lace wigs. So if you wanted to wear it in a ponytail or in a high ponytail, you can do that. But in order to take care of my natural hair, I do put on a stocking cap. Now, I'm not going to use the nude color stocking cap that came with my wig. Instead, I just use black, and I kind of push the wig back, exposing my hairline and my braids in case I want it apart. And this is how flat my hair is going to get. Again, if you want to, anchor your braids down to allow your wig to lay flatter. Me, I just do the stocking cap method. And of course, you are going to see a bit of a bulk in the back, but I don't really wear wigs on the day-to-day basis as much as a lot of you other people wear wigs. So therefore, that is just what works best for me. But let's get into this hair. When I first put the wig on, oh my gosh, I am in love with the texture. It really reminds me of relaxed hair, and it's super soft. I love the low luster with this hair. Oh my god, I love it. But I just went ahead and applied a little bit of foaming wrap mousse to the top of the hair because I noticed that there's a slight bulge on top of there. It could be because of my braids were like 3 different sizes. But a good way to get rid of that bulge on top of your head is to apply a little bit of water or foaming wrapping mousse like I just did. So I'm gonna go ahead and do up the hairline, and I'm not the best at doing my hairline, but hey, I'm still learning. Now this gel right here, this is by Main Choice, and I will leave it in the info box below. But when I tell you that this gel is life, if you want to sort of temporarily adhere your wig down, this gel dries so fast. You don't even need a blow dryer in order to allow it to dry, because it just sort of dries on contact. But I'm not going to use it for adhering my wig down. Instead, I'm going to use it for doing my baby hairs, and it just holds it. It holds your hairs down, and your hair doesn't go anywhere up until you take the wig off at night. I don't notice any flaking or anything like that. Again, I will leave that gel in the info box below. But I'm going to take my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in dark and just apply it in the parting space. Now, I did bleach the knots on this wig. However, I don't think I allowed the bleach to sit on that long because it wasn't as transparent as I wanted it to be. So using a little bit of powder that's your skin tone will come in handy. But right now I'm just flat ironing the hair just a little bit, just to kind of get rid of those kinks. And you guys, get into this hair. I love it. I mean, yeah, my natural hair underneath it is a little thick for it because my hair is getting long. When I tell you that wearing protective styles will allow your hair to grow, pretty soon you're not going to need it anymore because your hair is going to look bulky, just like how mine is looking right now. But again, this hair, I didn't notice any shedding, any tangling. It was so soft. Oh my god, I love it. Again, you do see that bulk in the back because of all my natural hair. Girl, it's growing. So for those of you guys who are talking about, oh, protective style is just an excuse to hate your hair, no, it is the perfect excuse in order to take care of your hair and allow it to grow out, because pretty soon protective styles just ain't gonna work no more. Okay, but again, this is just a really quick 360 of the hair. You can see the light luster, and it's so gorgeous, so soft. I'm giving you guys a little some extra pose. I'm just being extra because I don't know, I'm feeling myself in this wig. But yeah, again, you guys do check out WowEbony.com. I will have all the information located in the info box below. Do take advantage of the Mother's Day sale. I know I mentioned it enough times in this video, so you guys probably know already, but for those of you guys who like to fast forward, yeah, they do have a Mother's Day sale going on, and I'll have all the information and coupon codes in the info box below, so do take advantage of that. I just want to put this hair in a really quick ponytail. Now, I wanted to put it in a high ponytail, but all my natural hair up underneath the wig, it just ain't gonna work. But you can do a low ponytail in case you are struggling like me. But that is just another styling option. Again, you guys let me know what you guys think. Take advantage of their sale, and I will talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.